So one thing that we recently worked with the CEO Connection on was putting together a how to get on a board workshop specifically for RSM partners who had recently retired. We take great value in staying connected to partners who retire from our firm. The firm has been a tremendously large part of their life, and we want to continue to give back to them after they leave the organization. And so in working with Kenny, we said, hey, what if we offered this how to get on a board workshop for either retiring or newly retired partners? And so we offered it at our biennial owners meeting this summer, and we had quite a good turnout of our retired partners, and they were really grateful to meet Kenny and the CEO Connection team. And they were also grateful to RSM for providing them the opportunity to make that connection related to getting on a board.